Hello, today you are looking at a Joy TA-025TAN4D rotary screw compressor brought to you by Surplus Industrial Supply. This rotary screw compressor features an automatic tank drain, Century 25 horsepower drip-proof motor, constant or auto toggle switch for motor control, along with a start, stop, and reset push button. This item is wired for 460 volt 3-phase operation with a maximum PSI rating of 125 with an oil-cooled twist air rotary screw attached to a 100-gallon tank. If you have any interest in this or any other items available at Surplus Industrial Supply, please give us a call at 616-451-4100 or toll free at 1-888-451-9877 or visit us online at surplusindustrialsupply.com. Thank you and have a nice day.